They're pizza bears.
Say hi. He's mad because he's wearing a bow tie.
Yeah, he didn't like me putting a bow tie on him because he doesn't like harnesses, but I wanted to see his new haircut. And
Yeah,
he's so cute.
He got his hair cut.
And he doesn't want to, and he's looking miserable because he doesn't like his cute bow tie on.
He's pouts.
He's pouts.
If you ever have an animal pout, you know what we're talking about.
Exactly.
This one pouts.
He pouts. He's like, why are you doing this to me? I don't want a bow tie on.
But he's weird. But he's so cute, we can't help it.
Exactly.
But we'll take it off of him later. But for now, besides Benson being pouty, we're here to talk about PLouise. I have to cover up Krista's face.
Hi everybody. So the video you're about to watch I filmed a few days ago. Since then I have found out some information about the PLouise monthly budget box that you need to know. I was checking out my subscription, my charge for this month came through, and looking at the site for shopping, and I went to the budget box where you can subscribe, and it was $9 a month cheaper than what I currently paid. So I was paying I think $48 a month plus shipping, and now it's $39 a month plus shipping. So I obviously don't want to pay too much, so I reached out to the PLouise customer service. I actually called them, and I had sent them screenshots of what it was listed at and what my actual order showed that I paid, but there was a miscommunication. So I called their number in the UK, which you can do, and they answered. Now remember, their UK time, so depending on your time zone, I had to call them early in the day before they closed their time. But I did reach someone there, and she was very helpful. She was able to refund the difference for the May charge, and she said because I had subscribed at the higher charge, they couldn't go back to change it for the other months. And I don't know how long ago the change happened. I don't think it was very many months, but she said it was a recent change in the cost. So they suggested I cancel my current subscription, resubscribe the first of next month so I don't get two of the same box to get the lower price. So that's what I'm going to do. So what you guys need to do, if you are already subscribed with the USA PLouise budget subscription box, check your budget box cost. If you're not paying $39 a month plus your shipping, you might want to consider switching it up. So a good idea would be to check and see if you've already been charged for May. If you haven't, you should be able to cancel the May box, resubscribe at the lower cost, get the May box for the cheaper price. If you've already been charged for the May box, still cancel before you get charged again in June, but the very 1st of June, resubscribe at the lower cost. If you resubscribe in May, you will be charged again for May and get the same box twice. If you want the same box twice, go for it. If you don't, you might want to wait till the June box. So that's your PSA for the PLouise budget box. Now we'll go check out this unboxing.
If you're not familiar with PLouise, it is a beauty company out of the UK. Krista's going to de-bow tie Vincent so he'll look smiley.
He'll stop pouting. It's just a little bow tie
it's just
on his collar.
It's not even, he can't tell it's there. He just knows it's there.
Exactly.
But PLouise is a beauty company out of the UK. They've been in business for not even very many years. Maybe 4 or 5 years ago is when she started it. And we have been getting the budget box. They have a monthly subscription for probably 2.5 years, two and a half years at minimum.
Love every one of them.
We were getting the PLouise box before we started this YouTube channel,
Yes.
which we are now in the end of this year will be 2 years, I think, of the channel. So probably a little over 2 years of getting the budget box. There's been some up and downs with how we get it. Now you want to order from the US website if you live in the US. If you live in the UK or somewhere that you're not subject to tariffs as we are, you can order it directly from the UK site. But this box is extra special. This month's budget box
is Paige's Picks.
The PLouise page.
This is April's box that we get in May.
Yes.
And then it says each product chosen, tried and true, a curation made with love just for you. With love, Paige, handpicked by the CEO.
Yes.
So this is Paige's Picks. Let's open up this.
And this box is so cute, and it came just a custom
it's
box.
adorable.
We have not opened it. We've been waiting for you guys, so we're gonna peel off the little rip tab. We did get a preview of what's gonna be in here, which is
fun stuff.
Great about the PLouise subscription is you can always see from the beginning of the month what's gonna be that month, and you can pause it if you don't want that month's box for some reason, which we've done a few times. There's a ton.
Look at all this cool stuff that she picked just for her.
And she's been doing the budget
babes.
boxes with custom packaging, so
which is amazing.
it doesn't slide around.
We love it.
So we're just going to set it over here because it's big. What do you want to start with? This thing?
Yeah, start with that.
Okay, we have a bunch of PLouise eyelashes.
These are
the segments.
Segments, because she said the choppy lash look is in, and that's what she was wearing when she did a TikTok video. And it looked like fun. So I'm going to
These are
have to do a
cute.
tutorial on how to do these types of lashes because it was just so cool that the effect it made.
When you say do one, you mean watch one?
Watch one.
We're going to watch one.
one.
We're not
doing
we
that.
don't know how to do these. You do not want us to teach you how to do these.
We're going to watch the
We're gonna find
how
one.
to do them. Yes.
But does it come with the glue? Most of their little lashes come with
Yeah,
the
I think
glue.
it's on the bottom with the glue. I can't.
Anyway, they usually will stick the glue in there. If they don't, we have glue. So this looks like 3 sets. So you can mix and match or get what you want or just put them on the ends if you want that cat eye look or however you want to do it. But how
Yes.
cute are those?
It's going to be fun. Maybe we'll do a video after we learn how to put them
Yeah,
on.
if we ever learn how to do it right. I don't
And
know.
don't look silly.
Which one do you want to do?
Let's try what this
Okay.
is.
Here you go.
This is called Face It Head On. And these are, I believe, are the face masks that she said that they were
Ooh.
putting in there, which is
I wanna
lots
see,
of
I
fun. I
wanna
think
see.
there's 3 of them. The box is sealed and we have tons
We
of
have a
face
zillion
masks. I mean,
masks.
they're sealed seals. I guess we can open it because they're already sealed. It says deep hydration, refined skin texture, enhanced plumpness, skin comfort, and balance. The secret to hydration, radiant skin is ready to take
Ooh.
on anything sheet mask. So
So we have never had one of her sheet masks. I know she did some in the advent calendar. She's
it was.
included a few in some of her other things, but there's not been any that I'm aware of in the budget boxes yet.
yeah, that we've had.
So these should actually be really good. And again, these are the items that Paige picked that are some of her favorite things. So now we get to see.
It's very well sealed. I got to give it to them for being sealed.
Okay, there we go. Phew!
And then a little pull tab at the top.
And there's how many in here do we
I
think?
think there's 3.
Okay, we're going to see. Ooh, there's more than
Yep, there's
there's
three.
3. Okay.
I'll just pull one out because they're all the same.
Oh, cute.
But cute little pink.
And it's a
face
full
mask.
face mask.
Yep, full face mask. So cool because face masks do make a difference
Yes,
on your
they do.
skin. And I love it. And they're just.
Those are cute. Okay, so next we have Glossy and Glazed CEO Glow, and this is a high impact glow flawless finish illuminator.
Ooh.
So I don't know if this is different than the other Glossy and Glazed things we have. If it is, we have a bunch of these already.
Oh, it's cute too.
It's
Look
you
at
can't
that.
see through it,
Oh,
and
the
I am going to
packaging.
watch a video and see what this is before I open it. Because if it's like a bronzer or just a shimmer cream, we have probably 5 shimmer creams from her already.
That we
So
love.
we may not, yeah, we do use them, but we definitely have enough to not need another one. So we may not use this one ourselves. So I'm not going to open it until I know exactly.
We don't want it to start
what
going dry
that
or
one
bad or
goes.
something.
Okay. Ooh, that one's cute.
I want to do this one. The lip check.
Cute.
Look at the box. I love her pink packaging. Even the top says Pages Picks.
Oh, they're custom packaging for the Pages Picks.
Yes.
This one's
People.
CEO Glow. I should have looked at these. These are CEO Glow. These are CEO status lashes. So even the products in this package are not just stuff that she pulled
Right.
off the shelf.
Exactly.
She created the items for these boxes. Or at least created the packaging for them.
Yes.
That's awesome sauce.
So this is a 3-piece lip set. And then
And
look
look
at the
how
little
cute, it has a
charm.
charm.
And it comes with the lip liner and the, look at the charm. Oh my gosh. Lip base. So this is a lip base. So this is the apricot smoothie.
Ooh,
And
that's
then-
pretty.
She designed this whole set to go together. So you do the
Oh,
liner,
that's not even a little bit in focus. Sorry. But it's pretty.
you do the liner, and then you do the lip base, and then you put the gloss on it. And so she created it to create a whole
That should be
set.
beautiful.
And this one is party rings, I think is what it says. But the cute.
And
oh
this
my
one
gosh.
says top trend is the color of the lip liner.
So this was all made together.
And the little charm is so cute.
I love this.
Once this is empty, you can take the charm off and put it on something else easily.
So this, I can't wait to try this look.
Yes. All right. So the last thing in here, and I would say definitely not least by the size of
Exactly.
it. Let me have the scissors. I'm going to skizz this.
I mean, this has been amazing. Her picks, so much fun.
Okay. This is a CEO Essentials palette. So I do remember seeing it on the spoiler video. I don't remember what the colors were.
I think it's on the go neutrals.
Oh, it's very neutrals.
But
Oops,
look
there
how
goes
pretty the
plastic.
colors
Those are
to make a
gorgeous.
gorgeous look.
You could do a smoky, you could do a daytime work look, you
Yeah.
could blend it down, and you can definitely build this and go to work in the morning, come home and drama it up for your evening.
Oh,
Very
and it's
pretty.
portable
and it's
too.
peaches. And the little, I'm trying to see what the pictures are on everything. crowns and all kinds of fun. It's upside down because of the mirror, but you guys can see all the cuteness on there. Oh,
I like these looks.
These are
fun,
pretty.
and it'd be perfect on the go too.
very cute.
Side.
So the budget box is $40 something. Depends on where you are. If you're ordering it from the UK, it's one price. If you order it from the US site, it's another price. The shipping varies. Once we get it paid for with shipping, it's around $53, $55. So that is not bad. We got five boxes of things,
Boxes
but more
of things.
than
Yes, exactly.
those. I mean, one,
three, 3 sets here, the whole color
yeah.
palette. I mean,
So you're never going to feel skimped on
exactly.
with a p.louise
No,
budget box.
you won't. It's so much fun, and they're on TikTok Live a lot of times with giveaways and
Mhm.
contests, so you can shop their PLouise USA TikTok, which is fun.
Fun.
Besides the USA website, and get some amazing deals.
And speaking of shopping, the website we have, and as soon as we close this one, we're going to film a video on a p.louise haul. So stay tuned for that one. It'll be a few days after this one posts. You'll get to see that one.
It's so
so
much fun.
there's some of the stuff that I've been like, don't touch it because we got to do the video.
But I want to wear now.
Yes, so these are so cute. There's some stuff you got to see. You just got to watch for it.
Watch
for
for
the
it.
video. Don't miss it. Well, if you guys did love this video as much as we did, we'd love for you to hit like, hit
Yes.
subscribe. Don't forget to sign up for notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. But most of all, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.